the path that we are on in this journey called life. As we go through countless experiences and deal with challenges that life throws at us, we oftentimes play the victim role and constantly ask ourselves the questions, why is this happening to me? Why is the world against me? And then we wonder why we keep attracting the same experiences. People want joy, love, and abundance. But the biggest problem is that they're not living in the vibrations of joy, love, and abundance. Rather, they are so wrapped up in the vibrations of anger, sadness, and lack, which attracts more of that. Have you ever had an experience or two or more where one bad thing happens and it seems like the universe is dumping all other bad news and events all at the same time? And you're like, why me? So, how can you change your vibrations? How can you live a life full of joy, love, and abundance? Perception equals your reality. How we perceive ourselves, others, and the world is what you will keep seeing, because you attract not what you want, but you attract what you are. So how we can change our perception so that we can recognize all the positives in life is to say, everything happens for me. There's a reason behind everything that happens, good or bad. Everything we think about, we attract. Because all things start with a single thought. Isn't that true? Look around you right now where you are. Everything you see in your life right now started from a single thought. And thoughts make us feel. And that is what amplifies the magnetism of what you will attract. Emotion is just energy in motion. And it creates vibrations, pulling in any other equivalent vibrations to you. When we change our thinking from everything is happening to me to everything is happening for me, and acknowledge that our world is just a huge reflection of who and what we are. And another thing to always keep in mind is that life, the universe, will only give you things you can handle. So that's another way to perceive the challenges you may be dealing with right now. If you play the victim, you won't get the results you want. If you face it head on, believing that you will overcome it somehow, some way, then that's when the solutions you're looking for will come your way. Think of all the challenges you've dealt with in the past. If you've made it out, you're most likely stronger, wiser, and more mature. Am I right? Or are you holding a grudge against it and seem to experience similar situations over and over again? If you don't learn the lesson, it'll keep coming back to you until you do learn the lesson. So once we understand this law of the universe, then we can start to become very constructive, very intentional. We can go deep into connecting with ourselves, take care of our body, our temple, our vessel, our home, being present in the moment and become solution focused instead of playing the victim. That's when you will start to witness the joy, love, and gratitude. Because everything is an inside-out process. All the answers you're looking for is already within you.